What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, guys, a while back, I actually did a video called Stop Microsoft from Spying on You by Using Windows Firewall. I put that link down in the description below in case you want to go back and stop Microsoft from spying on you. Now, as you can see, I got my firewall up, and from that video that I showed you, I've got quite a few URLs for collection of telemetry data from Microsoft put in here. But as you can see, there is only a handful. Now, I would go back and watch that video and follow the instructions and get this stuff blocked in the firewall as well. But today I'm going to show you how to do a lot more to cover and protect yourself from Microsoft spying on you. Now, for those of you that don't know, Windows/Microsoft collects a lot of data from your PC and sends it back to Microsoft. This is called telemetry data. This data includes things like how users use their system, how long it takes for programs or applications to start, what programs are used most often, performance metrics of your system. And, Microsoft claims that this is to improve the Windows experience or to improve the Windows operating system. And, some of that could be, but I'm really not a fan of data collection in this manner. So I'm going to show you guys today how to block a lot more than just this in the firewall using your host file. So let's go ahead and close that. And then I want you to open up this page. Don't worry, link is down in the description below. And once you get here, you're going to go down here to where it says Microsoft Windows, Office, MSN. And under host, just click this first URL here, which is link. And that will take you to right here. Now, you can see right here that somebody has gone on GitHub. They've done all the hard work for you and gathered all these URLs that Microsoft uses to gather this telemetry data. So the hard part is over. And as you can see, they update this quite often. This looks like it was updated 2 days ago. So in order to show you that this actually works, let's open up a command prompt. And I'm going to move this over to the side here. And let's just take one of these URLs like this. Let's just grab this one. And in my command prompt, I'm going to ping that URL. And as you can see, we are getting a response. My system is talking to that URL that collects telemetry data. So let's go ahead and close this, showing you that it is actually going to that site and your system can talk to that site. Let's close this. And I'm going to show you how to put this in your host file. So to access your host file, you need to open up a file explorer. And we're going to go to this file path. Don't worry, it will pop up down below. We're going to go to the C drive, Windows, all the way down here to System 32, drivers, etc. And then there is your host file there. So all you're going to do is right click this, and then you're going to, I'm just going to use edit with Notepad++. And it brings up your whole host file here. So we're going to click to the next line. And then what you're going to do is go in here and you're just going to copy all this data quite a bit there. Okay, we're at the bottom of the line. We're just going to right click and hit copy. And I want to show you, just copy the data after this hash mark here. You just copy the data starting at the in.appcenter.ms. So then we're going to go back to our host file, go to that free line and Control V to paste it. And then as you can see, all this stuff is in here now, right under the line. Okay, cool. So we're going to go ahead and hit save on this. Now, for me, and this is probably going to happen to you guys too, it's going to say, basically this says, hey, you didn't open the host file in admin mode, and Notepad++ is going to allow you the moment to do that. As long as you're an administrator on your machine, you should get the same thing, and it shouldn't be a problem. If You want to eliminate this, you can actually just open up your Notepad++ prior in admin mode and go from there. Okay, so I'm going to tell it, yeah, shoot me over into admin mode. It opens up another window, and as you can see, the tab is red, so that's admin mode. So everything looks like it's there. And I'm just going to go ahead and save this and then close out my host file. And let's minimize this. So as you can see, let's just go back into this and look at it. Okay, the data is all there. So now to show you that this worked, let's reopen the command prompt. And let's take a look. I think it was this one that we pinged earlier, and we were getting a response. So let's double check now. We're going to do ping, same URL, enter. And as you can see, now it cannot find the host, which means your computer is now blocking that from going out, from talking to that URL. So as you can see, that definitely worked to add all these to your host file. So anyway, guys, that is it. Just a simple host file modify/edit in order to stop Microsoft from continuing to spy on you and collecting that telemetry data. After you're done there, you can just close out your host file and go on with your day as normal. And now you should have safer browsing because Microsoft ain't doing that Microsoft thing where they like to spy. Anyway, guys, that is it. If this helped you out, click that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, get subscribed so you can have some future content like that. Thanks, guys.